went ahead and put the jack up under the transmission, hold up the motor. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the motor mount. So this sway bar link is connected to that sway bar. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from this end. You may need to hold that so this won't spin. All right, we got these on the rear, both sides. Okay, so these bolts on the rear, 2 of them, they 15 mil, and then that one is an 18 mil. Went ahead and took the bracket off and put that bolt back in there, left it loose. Got that off, get that out of the hanger. Now this is the motor mount and those 3 bolts that's holding it in. 1, 2, 3. And they are 15 millimeter. All right, we got them all loose. All right, on the front, went ahead and loosened those up. Didn't take them out all the way. 18 mil, as well as the one on the passenger or the driver's side. All right, this is what I got going on. I'm hitting that 18 millimeter bolt on the rack. I'm gonna do the other side as well. All right, that's the driver's side. I was able to get that undone. All right, as you can see, we got some room. All right, over here on this passenger side, you want to make sure that is detached from the rack. So I'm going to point this out. I do see this little bracket right here. If we can get this bracket out the way, this piece here, 10 mil, I think we'll be able to squeeze through there. All right, that's that bracket. It is gone. And now we got a little room. See, this will be able to bend. That should be able to go through, hopefully. But then we got this here. We're gonna see. All right, so I'm yanking it through. I'm almost through. You can see that line that I pointed out. See that line? See if we can squeeze on through that in between that motor mount. And that whole little piece just come right off. All right, now we got this hose here. This hose, you're gonna have to disconnect it from the rack. And this is the hose right here, this top one. All right, we got that undone. That's a 18 millimeter wrench. And now we can pull this bad boy out. Straight through there like that. Man, twist and turn and yank, you will get it out of there. All right, we got another 18 mil right here. Wrench. Get that hose off. I'll put it on a new one. All right, when we take that line off, we got a gasket right there. And we got another one right here on that end. And that's what those are. All right, we got the brand new ones in. That's the old ones. Got that hose in there. Let's go ahead and reinstall. All right, we get it in there. Line it up on both sides. All right, we got it lined up. Everything is in. Alright, next I'm gonna go ahead and throw this pump in here. Alright, this here, took that gasket off. Gonna go ahead and put the new one on. Alright, now we ready to install. Alright, we got everything hooked up. Bolts tightened up. Alright, we got that belt back on. Got that motor mount back in there. Alright, the outer tie rod, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the same way. Count those threads there. Alright, we got that installed. New cotter pin. Alright, we got the wheel straight. We're gonna go ahead and install that bolt. Tighten that down. Sway bar back in there, sway bar link. See, we got a little Allen key you can put in there so it won't turn and keep spinning. Alright, once you top it off, you want to turn the wheels left to right, all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and keep doing it. You want to do it a few times, about 15, 20 times, give or take, until that noise goes away. All that whining noise, it'll quiet down. As you can see, that lever wheel drop. Just keep on turning that wheel, get the air out the system. Alright, we took it for a spin, no more leaks. Everything is dry. And that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope it helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.